Hey, wearing my Ultimate Shaper, and I kind of want it to give a higher bun look today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this to it. And also when I put my scarf on, I'm going to do it like with the tails being tied at the back. But in order to keep the height, I'm basically moving it like this over my head, and that will keep the height there. And then crisscrossing the back, I'm wearing our new Snazzy Scarf, which is basically like the Jazzy, but it has multiple colors in it. It's just amazing. It's so cool, it's so fancy. I love how this one has both gold and gray silver in it. It's just super special, but it's like kind of almost a neutral, even though it's fancy. I really love it. There you go. Just lay it out so the colors I want are displayed. Really want to show all the, it's basically a 4-tone scarf. Really cool. There you go. Oop, it popped out. Okay, I'm gonna tuck that back in.